Indoor plants can make any home feel more peaceful, fresh, and lively. But many people believe that keeping indoor plants healthy is complicated. The truth is that most plants simply need a few basic things to thrive. When you understand these simple principles, caring for indoor plants becomes much easier. Today, we will talk about 3 simple tricks that can help keep your indoor plants healthy and growing well. The first trick is giving your plants the right amount of light. Light is the main source of energy for plants. Without enough light, plants cannot produce the energy they need to grow. Many indoor plants grow best in bright, indirect sunlight, which usually means placing them near a window where they receive natural light but not direct, harsh sun. If a plant looks weak or stretched, it may be trying to reach more light. The second trick is watering carefully and consistently. One of the most common mistakes indoor gardeners make is watering too often. Plants need water, but they also need air around their roots. When the soil stays too wet for too long, the roots can become damaged. A simple habit is to check the soil before watering. If the top inch of soil feels dry, it is usually time to water. If it still feels moist, it is better to wait. The third trick is maintaining a stable environment. Indoor plants prefer stable temperatures and moderate humidity. Sudden changes in temperature, cold drafts from windows, or dry air from heaters can stress plants. Placing plants in areas with stable room temperature and occasionally cleaning the leaves to remove dust can help them stay healthy. Another helpful habit is observing your plants regularly. Plants often show small signs when something is wrong. Yellow leaves, drooping stems, or dry leaf edges can indicate that the plant needs adjustments in watering, light, or humidity. Indoor gardening becomes much easier when you focus on these simple habits: proper light, careful watering, and a stable environment. When these conditions are right, most indoor plants can thrive and grow beautifully. Now, I'd like to ask you something. Which indoor plant in your home has been the easiest to take care of? Let me know in the comments, and let's share ideas to help our indoor plants stay healthy.